it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you're only getting mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, a woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. We grow good old tomatoes and homemade wine, and country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. Because you can't starve us out and you can't make us run. Those when them old boys raised on shotguns. We say grace, we say ma'am. If you ain't into that, we don't give a damn. We came from the West Virginia coal mines and the Rocky Mountains and the western skies. And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I had a good friend in New York City. He never called me by my name, just Hillbilly. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land, and his taught him to be a businessman.
Yep.
When?
Taking pictures.
You getting ready?
Yep.
You got something? All right, Tony. He's got a big one. He's got a big one.
No. Yep. This one is gone? It's gone?
Gone? You lost it?
Get off? Sorry.
Yeah. Come on, honey. Oh, there he got one.
That fella fish won that one.
Ooh. Got one.
Doing great, man. Nice and steady. Nice and steady.
I can get the gap.
And thank you. Doing great. Straight out in front of you, brother. There you go. Perfect. We just want to keep it away from the other guys so they don't get cut off.
They got a good one
They're
there.
great, man. Yeah, if you don't have anything going on, you want to see that.
Let's see what
Ooh, watch this
it's
for
got.
whatever. Keep going. You ain't have a camera anyway.
Keep going. I'm recording.
Almost there, another 100 feet. There you go.
All right.
Now step up the rim with that whole rod. If you sit that up here, it'll actually break that rock. You got that whole drum.
I know, it's good! That's nice! Oh my god, Tony, it's huge!
Don't feel okay.
Get along.
Wow! Oh my god! Wow!
Yeah, beautiful fish, man. Like I said, these are the ones that are protected. These are spawning right now. They're going back, but you guys want to get a good picture?
Yep, I'll get a picture, hold
This is
on.
the only fish.
That's huge.
Here, look at all.
Look at that big ass one.
Oh, they get sure.
They're still alive.
They're still alive?
They ain't that up the hard way.
Don't shotgun.
Wow.
We say great, we say ma'am, if you ain't into that, don't give a damn. We're from North California and South Alabama and little towns all around this land. We can skin a buck and run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can